Ever feel like your brain is wrapped in cotton? Like you are trying to think through a thick cloud? You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with brain fog every single day, and it is affecting their work, their relationships, and their quality of life. But here is the amazing news: what you put on your plate can literally clear that mental fog and bring back your sharpness and focus. Today we are diving into the 7 most powerful brain foods that can transform your mental clarity, and I promise you will walk away with practical solutions you can start using immediately. Let us jump right in. So what exactly is brain fog? It is not an official medical diagnosis, but rather a collection of symptoms that make thinking feel difficult. We are talking about poor concentration, forgetfulness, mental confusion, and that frustrating feeling when you cannot quite find the words you want to say. While everyone has off days, persistent brain fog is your brain sending you a signal that something needs to change. Research shows that brain fog often stems from inflammation in the body, nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or reduced blood flow to the brain. And here is where it gets really interesting: your diet directly impacts every single one of these factors. Your brain is incredibly energy hungry. Despite being only about 2% of your body weight, it burns through roughly 20% of all your calories. Think about that for a second. This organ needs constant fuel and specific nutrients to keep you thinking clearly. When you feed it the wrong things, you get inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor blood flow. The result? Brain fog. But when you give your brain the right nutrients, everything changes. Harvard Medical School research confirms that what you eat directly affects your brain structure, function, mood, and cognitive abilities. So let us talk about the 7 superstar foods that can clear your mental fog. First up, fatty fish. We are talking salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential building blocks for your brain cells. Studies show that people with higher omega-3 levels have better blood flow to the memory and learning centers of their brain. Aim for at least 2 servings per week, and you will be giving your brain the raw materials it needs to function at its best. Number 2, avocados. These creamy green powerhouses contain healthy monounsaturated fats that improve blood flow to your brain. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells. Avocados also contain lutein, which has been linked to better cognitive performance, plus vitamin E that protects your brain from oxidative stress. Just half an avocado daily can make a real difference in your focus and mental clarity. Third on our list, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are absolutely loaded with flavonoids that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. One fascinating study found that women who ate 2 or more servings of berries each week delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. The compounds in berries also boost production of a protein that helps grow new brain cells and enhance cognitive function. Pretty incredible, right? Number 4, dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutrient powerhouses packed with vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Research from Rush University found that people who ate just 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily had the cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger compared to those who rarely ate these vegetables. The nitrates in these greens also dilate your blood vessels, improving blood flow to the brain and helping clear that mental fog. Fifth, walnuts. Among walnuts are the brain health champion. They contain high levels of alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3, plus powerful antioxidants. Studies from UCLA found that higher walnut consumption was linked to improved cognitive test scores. Just a small handful daily, about an ounce or 14 walnut halves, provides significant brain benefits. Number 6, extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean staple contains polyphenols that protect your brain cells from damage. Research shows that olive oil consumption actually helps clear the brain of proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease. Its healthy fats also support the structure of your brain cell membranes. Choose extra virgin olive oil and use it for low-temperature cooking or as a dressing to get maximum benefits. And number 7, dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate made the list. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonols that increase blood flow to the brain. Studies show it can improve attention, problem-solving skills, and cognitive function. Just limit yourself to 1 or 2 small squares daily, about an ounce, to get the benefits without overdoing the calories. Now here is something really important: these foods work even better together. The Mediterranean diet combines all these brain-boosting ingredients into a comprehensive eating pattern. Multiple studies show that following this diet is associated with a 30 to 35% lower risk of cognitive impairment. It emphasizes plant foods, olive oil, fish, and limited processed foods. Before we wrap up, let me share what you should avoid. Refined carbohydrates and added sugars cause blood sugar spikes and crashes that worsen brain fog. Highly processed foods contain additives that may impair cognitive function. Excessive alcohol disrupts neurotransmitter balance. And trans fats reduce brain plasticity. Studies confirm that people who eat high-sugar, highly processed diets experience greater mental fatigue and poorer cognitive performance. One more critical factor: hydration. Even mild dehydration, just 2% of your body weight, can impair attention, memory, and concentration. Aim for about 90 ounces daily for women and 125 ounces for men from all beverages and food. Keep water with you throughout the day and sip regularly. So how quickly can you expect results? Some people notice improvements within days, especially after cutting sugar and processed foods. But more significant and lasting changes typically develop over 2 to 4 weeks of consistent healthy eating as your brain adapts to improved nutrition. The key is consistency. An occasional brain-healthy meal will not transform your cognitive function, but a sustained pattern of nutritious eating absolutely will. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these brain-boosting foods to your daily routine. Once that becomes habit, gradually add more. Stock your kitchen with brain-friendly staples so healthy options are always available. Brain fog does not have to be your reality. By strategically incorporating these 7 powerful foods into your diet, staying properly hydrated, and avoiding the foods that worsen mental fog, you can dramatically improve your mental clarity and cognitive performance. Your brain has incredible capacity to heal and thrive when given the right nutrition. Start today with just one change and build from there. Your clearer, sharper mind is waiting. Thanks for watching, and here is to your brain health.